Okay, so when you open up your worksheet on Wonders, it'll open up in a screen like this. To be able to type on it, you come down here and click on this T for typing. When you click on it, you can then take and click where you want to type. Sorry, let me click again. Click where you want to type, wait for that blinking line to show up, and then you can type your answer. It is okay if you're not exactly on the line. It's okay if you end up being a little bit underlined. I'll figure it out. You can also take and use a pencil to write, like mice, though that it gets really messy really quick and it takes a lot longer than typing the words. If you need to draw a shape around something, you can draw a shape. There's lines for underlining. There's circles for circling things if you need to. But you've got all your tools down here. When you're done, you'll hit save. It'll save it to your binder, and then you can turn it in just like you do all other assignments.